Good afternoon. I'm back up in Shankill Road graveyard on a very windy day, and it's threatening to rain. I'm in behind the Queen Victoria monument, and I'm at this grave here. This is the back of the grave, and I searched for this grave the last time and I couldn't find it. And this is a significant grave. And you'll see why when I run down the camera, down the face of it. Skull and crossbones at the top, and underneath it says death or glory. Now you can just about, there's glory, but death has been sort of eroded out there. Skull and crossbones, and this is the grave of John Brown. You can just make that out. In memory of John Brown, late of the 17th Lancers. Now you can see 17th Lancers, and I've got my notes with me. Died 22nd of April 1860. And this grave is particularly significant because John Brown, Sergeant John Brown from Mitchelstown, County Cork. Now I'm not quite sure why he was buried in here, in the Shankill graveyard in Belfast. Maybe he married a local girl, I just don't know. But John Brown was one of the 600 to ride into the Valley of Death at the Battle of Balaclava in 1854, and that was part of the Crimean War when the British forces were trying to capture the port of Sevastopol. It was a Russian naval base, and they got the information was relayed incorrectly, and the 600 of the 17th Lancers rode largely to their deaths against the cannons, the Russian cannons, and they were just decimated. But John Brown survived and died 6 years later. This was what we remember or know of today, and this is living history, and this is what our youngsters should be brought to and told about. And here we have living history under your feet, and the youngsters don't know about this, and this is where the school children should be brought. This guy took part in the famous charge of the Light Brigade. Isn't that amazing? He enlisted in 1835 and he eventually died 1860. John Brown, Sergeant John Brown of the 17th Lancers, and I just find this fascinating that here before me is a gravestone of a guy who was one of the 600 of the charge of the Light Brigade. Come and see this for yourself. I'll give you, there's the Shankill Road in front of me there, so it's in behind the Queen Victoria monument, and it's in behind a seat and a bin there, so you'll be able to find it okay. And the skull and crossbones up at the top. Very rare that you see any. This was the cap badge, I believe, of the 17th Lancers, and many people have copied this. Famous grave here, and I'm delighted to be able to video this. Shankill graveyard. Fascinating place, and I've done a video on it already, but I've missed out half of the stuff that I should have videoed. So maybe come back on a better day.